Hey, I'm going to show you some choreography today, specifically just one move that we're doing in class right now. It's to a song called Turn It Up. It's a great routine. What we're going to do is show the move nice and slow, both from the front and from the back, and then I'll show it to you a little faster, and then we'll go to actual tempo. One good key thing that I always like to think about when I'm learning new routines is to kind of break down the step. I usually think about what the individual moves are that we're doing with our feet, and then once my body gets used to it, I can speed it up or slow it down depending on the tempo. Okay, let's get started. Okay, for this move, we're going to start with our left leg, and we're going to hop it back behind us. And at the same time, just a little bit after, we're going to be bringing our right leg to come front. It's a quick 1-2 move with our feet. So going back left and coming forward right. So to do it a little quicker so you can see there's a little bit of a hop. So you're bringing your left behind you and your right's coming in front. And then for the last part of this move, you're then going to take your left foot and bring it over to the left. Now we're ready to do the move all over again using the right foot, bringing it behind and crossing the left in front. And then bringing the right foot over to the right. So again, left behind, 1-2, left to the side for 3. Right behind, 1-2, to the right for 3. So if we go a little bit quicker, you can see the motion. We'll do all 3 steps together. 1-2, 3. 1-2, 3, 1-2, 3. Okay? So if we pick up the pace just a little bit faster, you can see the tempo that we would be doing in class. So starting with the left, going behind, 1-2, 3, 1-2, 3, 1-2, 3, 1-2, 3. Good. Okay? I'll turn around and show it to you what it looks like from the back. All right, so from the back, we're going to be taking the same legs. We're going to start with the left and bringing it behind and the right coming in front. Left and right, and then stepping over with our left for our third step. So again, we're going to bring the right behind and left in front and stepping over for our third step. To go a little bit quicker, 1-2, 3, 1-2, 3, 1-2, 3, 1-2, 3. So you can see that the move can be very simple, keeping your feet flat on the floor. You can also add a little bit of your own style, your own flair to it. Usually what we end up doing is we end up kicking up our toes and just pushing our heel to the ground for that front step. So just so you can see what that would look like. You can also make it bigger. I hope that helped, and I hope you enjoyed in class.